We are back with another one from LuvMehair. Let's get on into this unit from LuvMehair. I am coming back to you guys with this Kinky Straight High Density Glueless Frontal Lace Wig from LuvMehair. Okay, this unit has 3 combs at the top, 2 on the side, and 1 in the middle. It has 1 comb in the back as well as lace. Take a look at that parting space and everything. The lace is absolutely stunning and it's pre-plucked. It has an adjustable band, kind of forever, and the band that we can put across our head. I literally forget what we call these, but I love them. Okay, LuvMehair always comes with great gifts. It comes with a pencil case with our edge wrap, as well as an edge brush and a clip, bobby pins, and an adjustable band. I really am into this unit, obviously, because I love the kinky texture. I think it makes for such a natural look. So this unit is currently going for $319.90. Don't clutch your pearls. LuvMehair is always having a sale, as well as always giving you a quality experience. One of my favorite things about shopping with LuvMehair is that they give out gifts. Okay, when you guys shop there, they make sure that you get all kinds of cute stuff to go with your unit. So I'm just going to go on through with my Babyless wand curlers and a little bit of Tresemme and Curl Mother on Zan, okay? I actually really enjoyed this unit. What I enjoyed most about it was the texture of the hair. It felt absolutely stunning. Super soft, okay, even after she got loaded up with product. Now, this unit does shed. She did shed. She didn't tangle, but she shed. The shedding, however, did not stop me from loving this unit. I really enjoyed her. I love how she comes out. I'm just going to shut my mouth and allow you guys to get into this styling. I'm just doing this a real quick curl lap, okay? And I'll see you guys on the other side. curled up. Okay. I'm just going to go on ahead and throw her up on our head. Look at her. She is really beautiful. And that lace. So we're just going to take our time and get her all the way together. Just throw her on, zhuzh her a bit, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, we are back with LuvMe hair and I am obsessed. She is stank nasty and I am in love, to say the least. I think that this hair is absolutely stunning. It really came and provided what it needed to provide. I feel like the cap is super small. I think the texture of the hair is stunning. The hair is absolutely beautiful. Bust up on cute, okay? I really do think she's providing what she needs to provide for us. I'm gonna turn around for you guys. Just nasty. She nasty. I like her. I think that this unit is really beautiful, guys. Like, really beautiful. I'm so glad what we were able to do with her, especially throwing just a couple curls in her, you know, giving her a light little bump, something sexy. I didn't want to wear a bone straight because sometimes those kind of texture units look a little bit too thick and big, and either you lean into it like I've done and kind of gave her a little bit more volume, or slimming it down don't work all the time if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So I'm glad we were able to just apply a little bit of heat to her. I love this unit. I love the lace. Melted down, nasty. This my hair. This ain't my hair. This ain't my hair. I ain't taking this wig off. Let me tell y'all something. LuvMe hair came through. You know, I really do love LuvMe hair because they give you guys such a wonderful experience when you purchase from them. So you don't just get the hair, you get a gift box and gifts and this and that, and it just makes the experience so much more better and so much more luxurious, right? And I'm normalizing black girls and luxury, and all girls, not even just black women, but all women and luxury, all 2020 forever, okay? So I quite literally have absolutely positively nothing else to give. So I want you guys to just let me know what you guys are thinking about this unit. She's absolutely beautiful. And I'm running my finger through her. She did not tangle. She did not shed. She's super snug. All right, bust down. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you're thinking. I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.